Conquer Your Needle Fear, a guide for diabetics. Are you living with diabetes and dreading every injection? You're not alone. Many people share this fear, but it doesn't have to control your life. This video will provide you with practical strategies to overcome your fear of needles and injections, empowering you to manage your diabetes with confidence. The fear of needles, also known as trypanophobia, is a common anxiety disorder. It can manifest in various ways, from mild apprehension to full-blown panic attacks. Understanding the root cause of your fear is the first step towards overcoming it. Pain is a significant trigger for many people. The anticipation of pain, even if it's minimal, can create anxiety. Memories of past painful experiences can also amplify this fear. The sight of the needle itself can be a powerful trigger. The sharp metallic object can evoke feelings of vulnerability and unease. For some, it's the association with medical procedures and potential discomfort. Past negative experiences, such as a difficult injection or a traumatic medical event, can create a lasting fear. These experiences can condition you to associate needles with pain and anxiety. By identifying the specific source of your fear, you can tailor your approach to address it effectively. This understanding will guide you in choosing the right strategies for managing your anxiety. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if your fear is overwhelming. A therapist specializing in phobias can provide valuable support and guidance. They can help you develop coping mechanisms and strategies for managing your anxiety. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is a highly effective approach for treating phobias. CBT helps you identify and challenge negative thoughts and beliefs associated with needles. It equips you with practical tools to manage your anxiety in real time. CBT challenges negative thoughts by helping you examine the evidence for and against them. You'll learn to replace irrational fears with more realistic and balanced perspectives. This process can significantly reduce your anxiety levels. CBT develops coping mechanisms by teaching you relaxation techniques and strategies for managing anxiety symptoms. You'll learn how to calm your mind and body in stressful situations, empowering you to face your fear with greater confidence. Gradual exposure is a powerful technique for overcoming phobias. It involves gradually exposing yourself to the feared object or situation in a safe and controlled environment. This process helps you desensitize yourself to the fear and build confidence. Start with small, manageable steps. Don't try to conquer your fear overnight. Begin by simply thinking about needles or looking at pictures of them. Gradually increase your exposure as you feel more comfortable. Watching videos of injections can be a helpful way to familiarize yourself with the process. Choose videos that are calm and informative, focusing on the steps involved and the patient's experience. This can help demystify the procedure and reduce your anxiety. Holding a needle without injecting can be a significant step. Get comfortable with the feel of the needle in your hand. Examine it closely and familiarize yourself with its features. This can help reduce the fear associated with the object itself. Gradually increase your exposure by holding the needle closer to your skin. Practice touching your skin with the needle without actually injecting. This will help you get used to the sensation and reduce your anxiety. Practicing with a fake needle, such as a pen cap or a blunt object, can be a helpful way to simulate the injection process. This allows you to practice the steps involved without the fear of pain or injury. Injecting insulin into a fruit, such as an orange or grapefruit, can be a realistic way to practice the injection technique. This allows you to get comfortable with the process of inserting the needle and administering the medication. Relaxation techniques can be incredibly helpful in managing anxiety during injections. These techniques help calm your mind and body, reducing the physical and emotional symptoms of fear. Practice these techniques regularly to build your coping skills. Deep breathing exercises are a simple yet effective way to reduce anxiety. Focus on taking slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This helps calm your nervous system and reduce feelings of panic. Meditation can help you focus your attention and quiet your mind. Practice mindfulness meditation by focusing on your breath or a specific object. This can help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of calm. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and releasing different muscle groups in your body. This technique helps you become aware of tension in your body and learn how to release it. This can be particularly helpful for reducing physical symptoms of anxiety. Distraction techniques can help take your mind off the injection process. Engage your senses and focus on something other than the needle. This can help reduce anxiety and make the experience more manageable. Listening to music can be a soothing and distracting activity. Choose calming music that you enjoy and focus on the melody and rhythm. This can help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of relaxation. Watching a video can also be a helpful distraction. Choose a video that is engaging and entertaining, such as a comedy show or a nature documentary. This can help take your mind off the injection and reduce your anxiety. Counting backward can be a simple yet effective distraction technique. Focus on counting backward from 100 or another large number. This requires concentration and can help take your mind off the injection. Using the right injection supplies can make a significant difference in your comfort level. Choose supplies that are designed to minimize pain and anxiety. A comfortable environment can also help reduce your stress. Smaller needles are generally less painful. Talk to your doctor about using the smallest gauge needle that is appropriate for your medication and injection technique. This can significantly reduce the discomfort associated with injections. Insulin pens can be a less intimidating alternative to traditional syringes. Pens are often easier to use and may be less visually triggering for those with needle phobia. Discuss this option with your doctor to see if it's right for you. Finding a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, can help reduce anxiety. Choose a position that allows you to relax and feel in control. This can make the injection process more manageable. Minimizing anxiety through positioning involves creating a sense of control and comfort. Ensure you have good lighting and a clear view of the injection site. This can help reduce feelings of vulnerability and anxiety. Taking care of yourself before injections can help reduce anxiety and improve your overall experience. Prioritize self-care activities that promote relaxation and well-being. Positive self-talk can also help you manage your fear. Being well-rested can significantly reduce anxiety levels. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep the night before your injection. This will help you feel more relaxed and better able to cope with your fear. Staying hydrated is also important for managing anxiety. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before your injection. Dehydration can exacerbate anxiety symptoms. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol before injections can help reduce anxiety. These substances can increase heart rate and nervousness, making it more difficult to manage your fear. Positive self-talk can be a powerful tool for managing anxiety. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself that you are capable of overcoming your fear. Replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations can help shift your mindset. Instead of thinking, "I can't do this," try thinking, "I am strong and I can handle this." This can boost your confidence and reduce your anxiety. Reminding yourself of the necessity of injections for your health can help you stay motivated. Focus on the long-term benefits of managing your diabetes and the positive impact it will have on your life. Emphasize your ability to manage your fear. Remind yourself that you have the tools and strategies to cope with your anxiety. This can empower you to face your fear with greater confidence. Don't hesitate to seek support from healthcare professionals and support groups. Sharing your experiences with others can be incredibly helpful. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, to stay motivated. Talking to your doctor or diabetes educator can provide valuable support and guidance. They can answer your questions, address your concerns, and offer personalized strategies for managing your fear. Joining a support group can connect you with others who understand your struggles. Sharing your experiences and learning from others can be incredibly empowering. You'll realize you're not alone in your fear. Sharing experiences with others can provide a sense of community and validation. Hearing how others have overcome their fear can inspire you and give you hope. You'll learn new coping strategies and gain valuable insights. Celebrating successes, no matter how small, is crucial for staying motivated. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for each step you take. This will reinforce positive behaviors and build your confidence. Acknowledge progress and reward yourself for each step taken. Whether it's simply looking at a needle without panicking or successfully completing an injection, celebrate your achievements. This will help you stay motivated and build your confidence. Overcoming the fear of needles is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember to seek support when you need it, and never give up on your goal of living a healthier, more confident life. Remember that overcoming fear is a journey. There will be ups and downs, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can conquer your fear and live a healthier life. Encourage patience and self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and acknowledge that it takes time to overcome a phobia. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Re-emphasize the importance of seeking support. Don't hesitate to reach out to healthcare professionals, therapists, or support groups for guidance and encouragement. Reiterate the importance of celebrating successes. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for each step you take. This will help you stay motivated and build your confidence. You can regain control and live a healthier life. By using the strategies outlined in this video, you can overcome your fear of needles and injections and manage your diabetes with confidence. Take the first step today. Call to action. Ready to take control of your diabetes management? Download our free guide, 5 Steps to Conquer Your Needle Fear, for a detailed action plan. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and strategies for living well with diabetes. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Together, we can overcome fear and live healthier lives.